Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Valorant. Whenever you're trying to play the game, you got the error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect with error code VAN152. So let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, if Roid client is running in your PC, you need to close it. Even from the system tray, if it is available, right click and choose the option exit to make sure all the Roid client services are closed in your PC. Now click on start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator, type here a command delete VGC and hit the enter key. Now type another command which is delete VGK and hit the enter key. Once it is done, make sure to restart your PC, else these commands will not work. After restarting, head over to this PC, C drive, program files, and here find a folder with the name Roid Vanguard. You need to right click on it and choose the option delete. Once Roid Vanguard is deleted, go ahead, launch the Roid client. Go ahead and log in. Once you are logged in, you will find an option of update Valorant. Go ahead, update your Valorant. Once the Valorant is updated, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting, try to launch the game and check if you are still getting the issue of Valorant WAN 152 error. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Again, go ahead and close Roid Vanguard related services from your PC. Head over to your browser, and here I have software with the name Revo Uninstaller. Go ahead and download its portable free version in your system. Save it into your PC or wherever you want. Once it is saved, open the folder and unzip the folder inside the zip file. Now open the unzipped folder, and here you will find a file with the name Revo UI port. Right click and choose the option run as administrator. Accept its terms and conditions, and here all the softwares that are installed in your PC will be available right over here. From here, scroll down and you will find Roid client as well as Roid Vanguard. You need to click on each of the following and choose the option uninstall. Click on the option continue. Now here it will scan for the remaining registries. So choose the option moderate and click on the option scan. These are all the registries present with the Vanguard value. Choose the option select all and hit delete. Once deleted, go ahead, uninstall remaining Vanguard services, Roid client as well as Valorant. Make sure you completely uninstall them from your system. After uninstalling, restart your PC. After restarting, go ahead, reinstall them from your PC, reinstall them from their official website by clicking on the option play free, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Valorant WAN 152. Now if this method doesn't work out, this simply means that you have a hardware ban, because you might be using some softwares that trigger the anti-cheat software of the Valorant, which in turn give you a hardware ban which stays for a minimum period of 90 days. However, you can even fix this hardware ban also. For that, you need to firstly downgrade your BIOS. If you do not know how to downgrade, I have this simple tutorial for you. Just go ahead and read it, and this will update your BIOS. Make sure first of all you downgrade your BIOS. After downgrading your BIOS, you need to reinstall your Windows. Once BIOS is downgraded and Windows is reinstalled, you will be able to play Valorant and you will not encounter again with the error of WAN 152. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.